Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Keshav Khande and today my subject is array in Java. So now we'll discuss about the array in Java. Java array is an object which contain element of object similar data type. Additionally, in array is used to the array in store of the continuous memory location. It is used to the data structure whereas store in a memory and similar element. It is we can store by the fixed set of element in a Java array. So array in Java is index based object is the first element of the array is store the index of the second element is store in the first index and second index. So Java array is an object officially is generated as a class. Java array inherit is the object and implement of the serialization. Closable is the interface. We can store the primitive value in a Java array in a Java. Advantages of array: first is a code optimization, second is random access. First discuss about the code optimization. It makes the optimized code we can retrieve the data efficiently. Then random access, we can get any data located at its index position. So disadvantages of array: size limit is the disadvantages of array. We can store the size is fixed size of the array. It doesn't make the size of the runtime. To solve the problem of the collection framework, it is used to the Java, which grows automatically. So type of array in Java: single dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. So first discuss about the single dimensional array. A single dimensional array is the store the single list. We can store the single list various element having a similar data type. Example of single dimensional array: if we have array 10 and of matrix is the size of 10, then the indexing of the element range 0 to 9. Then multi-dimensional array. The multi-dimensional array is store the array with more than two-dimensional array of matrix. Two-dimensional are present in a row and column. By the example of the multi-dimensional array in the 2D, array 10 and array 20, the total number of element than the store the multi-dimensional array. So this is about array in Java. Thank you all of you.